Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Taking control of your finances can seem daunting at first, but it's one of the most empowering and rewarding things you can do for yourself. Budgeting isn't just about cutting back. It's about making intentional decisions that help you reach your financial goals and gain peace of mind. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. When you commit to a budget, you're creating a roadmap for your life. A plan that ensures every dollar you earn is being used to support your needs, goals, and future. Why budgeting can be a struggle. Let's be honest. Budgeting can be tough. One of the most common challenges is overspending. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and make spontaneous purchases, especially with the convenience of online shopping and instant payment apps. We tell ourselves it's just a few dollars, but those dollars add up fast. Another big hurdle? Lack of knowledge. A lot of people simply don't know how to start. How do you track expenses? What budgeting method should you use? It can feel confusing and overwhelming. Some of us also deal with irregular income, like freelancers, commission workers, or business owners. When your paychecks vary month to month, sticking to a budget can feel like a guessing game. And then there's emotional spending, using money as a way to cope with boredom, sadness, stress, or even excitement. It's more common than you think, and it can quietly derail your financial progress. Let's fix that. Start with the basics. So, how do we overcome these budgeting roadblocks? Let's break it down into a few simple, realistic steps you can start using today. Start by tracking every single dollar you spend for the next 30 days. This means writing down everything, from rent and bills to coffee runs and quick snacks. You can use a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app, whatever works best for you. Tracking your spending gives you a clear, honest picture of where your money is actually going. You might be surprised to find how much you're spending on things that don't truly matter to you. Once you know your habits, you can begin making smarter choices. Now ask yourself, what am I budgeting for? Are you saving for a car, trying to pay off debt, or building an emergency fund? Maybe you're preparing for a big life event like a move, a wedding, or starting your own business. When you have a goal, budgeting stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like a mission. Write your goal down and keep it somewhere you'll see it regularly. This keeps you motivated and focused when temptation hits. There are some fantastic budgeting apps out there that can simplify the process for you. Mint helps track your spending and categorize it. You need a budget. YNAB is great for giving every dollar a job. Every dollar is user-friendly and perfect for zero-based budgeting. These tools take the guesswork out of managing your money. Many of them let you link your bank accounts, monitor progress toward your goals, and even get alerts when you're close to overspending. Real-life example. Let me share a quick story with you. A close friend of mine was living paycheck to paycheck. She was working hard, but her bank account was always on the edge. She finally decided to try budgeting. She tracked her expenses for a month and realized she was spending hundreds each month on takeout and unused subscriptions. With just a few changes, cooking at home more, canceling what she didn't use, and setting limits, she saved nearly $3,000 in 4 months. More importantly, she felt in control for the first time in years. That small habit change turned into long-term stability and confidence. Quick recap. Let's quickly go over the budgeting steps that can help you transform your finances. Track your expenses, every single one, for a full month. Set a financial goal, something that motivates and excites you. Use a budgeting app to make managing your money easier and more organized. These tips may seem small, but they can have a powerful impact over time. When you get intentional with your money, you'll start to notice opportunities to save, invest, and grow that you may have never seen before. Final thoughts. Budgeting isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's okay if you slip up. The important part is getting back on track and staying committed to your goals. Small daily habits lead to massive long-term results. So, are you ready to challenge yourself this month and take control of your money? Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest budgeting win or your biggest challenge? I'd love to hear your story and maybe feature it in a future video. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow money tips, budgeting hacks, and real stories to inspire your financial journey. In the next video, we'll be talking about financial literacy, breaking down the basics of saving, investing, and building wealth even if you're starting from zero. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Likes, comments, subscriptions.